Once you've connected to Xero, the quickest way to see any results is to head over to our template library and try one of the reports. Here we're going to use the Xero monthly income and revenue forecasting template. So download the template, open it up, and it'll fire up Power BI. And once Power BI is opened, it'll ask you for your database name. So carefully copy that from Connectly and paste it. And then it'll ask you for your username and password. And once again, carefully copy the username and the password values from Connectly. Once you've done that, Power BI will load the data and you should see your report.